Welcome back to Turbo Tracks, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance cars, and today, we're going to explore something truly special of the 2025 Mercedes BMW, a car that's turning heads and setting new standards for luxury and performance. Let's take a detailed look at the exterior design, features, and performance of this incredible vehicle. The 2025 Mercedes BMW is a bold statement on the road, combining futuristic design with the luxury and craftsmanship that Mercedes-Benz is known for. At the front, the BMW features a striking grille with an updated, more aggressive look, complemented by sleek, multi-LED headlights that seem to pierce through the night. The iconic Mercedes-Benz star is prominently displayed, framed by the aggressive air intakes, which not only give the car a sporty feel but also enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The wide stance of the car, combined with sharp lines and an expressive front bumper, gives the BMW a commanding presence, making it clear that this is no ordinary luxury vehicle. From the side, the BMW showcases a coupe-like silhouette, with flowing, sculpted lines that define its athletic character. The body sits low to the ground, and the long, sloping roofline enhances its aerodynamic profile, optimizing airflow for better performance. What stands out the most is the way the light dances across the smooth curves, highlighting the car's dynamic, muscular build. The car's sculpted side skirts and bold wheel arches create a perfect balance of elegance and strength, and with options for multi-spoke alloy wheels, the BMW stands tall among the competition. Now, let's talk about the rear, where Mercedes has truly outdone itself. The sleek, wide rear end features a set of narrow, full-width LED taillights that stretch across the entire back of the car, giving it a modern and futuristic look. The rear diffuser not only adds to the car's sporty aesthetic but also plays a functional role in improving its downforce, keeping the car stable at high speeds. At the center, we have the signature quad exhaust tips, which hint at the raw power under the hood, and further solidify the car's performance-oriented persona. Speaking of performance, the BMW isn't just about looks, it's engineered for the ultimate driving experience. Underneath its sleek exterior, the car features an advanced lightweight structure, which improves both performance and efficiency. The aerodynamics are optimized with active elements such as adjustable flaps and a rear spoiler, which adapt in real time to enhance stability and reduce drag at high speeds. The integration of air vents on the hood and front fenders helps cool the engine while further reducing aerodynamic drag. These subtle yet effective details demonstrate Mercedes-Benz's commitment to combining form and function. The wheels, which are available in various sizes, complement the overall aggressive stance, and the car's adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride while maintaining incredible handling. The BMW's exterior is a testament to precision engineering and design, where every element, from the sculpted lines to the advanced aerodynamics, has been crafted with both beauty and performance in mind. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes BMW is more than just a car, it's a revolution in design and performance.